Hello, my name is Sandy Bear. I'm one of the instructors for the Alaska STEAM Hub, or ASH. Today we are going to talk about berry pickers, and this idea came from a memory. My grandma Gertie had a berry picker, and so it was really reaching back to when I was a toddler. And we actually prototyped some. So this one is very close to the original of what I remembered. We tested it out with some berries and it worked pretty well. It needed some change. But my grandma Gertie would use her berry picker for blackberries and, crowberries and low bush crans or cranberries. So we did a prototype of just that with the handle, a little cup, and some tangs for kind of combing the berries up. And kind of worked with blues, but that's not the original thought behind it because it was always used in fall time. The next one was we wanted to make the cup a little bit bigger and maybe the tangs a little bit smaller, because if you look at them right here, they're just a tiny bit thinner and they're more placed properly. So this one was done afterwards and I think it'll do a great job. And again, you want to use that hand motion of just going along and using your wrist instead of using the modern ones where you are doing this back and forth motion with your hand. You are going from side to side. The traditional ones, they were plant friendly. If you go out berry picking and you notice that the crowberries and the low bush crans, they get pulled up and you can see some of the parts where the plant is dying. Where traditionally you are just kind of going along with the plant and not fighting the plant, because the modern ones, their teeth are too close together. And if you don't know how to use it properly, you are going to kill the plant. And that's not good for long sustainability. I hope you make your own berry pickers and go out and explore next fall. And if you have time this year, send us an email and let us know how it went.